Hello and welcome to day 20 of our 21 Days of Mindfulness series. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a daily oracle card reading, an energy update, and we always finish with a 5-minute Reiki energy healing transmission or session where I just flow high vibrational positive energy through me to you for whatever it is that you need each day. So my name's Rachael. If you're just joining us, thank you so much. My website is Reiki with Rachael. I am an energy healer, a card reader, and all my information is below if you're interested. So the past 2 days, we have been talking about closing a chapter in our lives that doesn't serve us and completing, and there being a karmic completion. And all a karmic completion means is when we get into a certain energy pattern that doesn't serve us, finally being able to break out of that pattern and move on to the next step or the next season of our lives. And that can be very action oriented. That could be as big as like moving to a new place or changing careers, or a lot of times it's very internal based, overcoming something that just doesn't serve you on your path. So yesterday we were really encouraged to be grounded and just present and grateful for the moment. Today's card is regret. I know that I cannot change the past, and I'm being guided to read from the book. Hold on. Okay, sorry. My camera was about to die, so I actually had to unplug one of the lamps to plug my camera in. So it's a little darker. But let's read from the book to see what regret says. The soul doesn't know time. Time is a construct of the physical dimension. Your soul there is only one big now. Think of the past as the now that has already been created, and the future as the now that has yet to be created. You don't have the power to uncreate the past, so let it go. Your power of creation lies in your awareness of the present, which is what the energy was really encouraging us to focus on yesterday. You have the power to not only create your future, but also create acceptance of your past. You should realize that you are the total summation of every single experience you have had. These experiences have helped shape you into the person you are today. Train yourself not to judge past events as good or bad, but as opportunities. What have you learned from the past that will enrich your future? Focusing on the past and letting it dictate the direction of your future is taking your power away from yourself. You are the creator. You hold the power. Reflect on lessons of the past and use your current power to create your bright future. Wow, I'm glad that I read that, because that really sums up this entire week. We've been talking so much about stepping into the new, about manifesting, about the past 2 days of this karmic completion. It is not a time to focus on the past. The past is the result of an old energy. Like that book just said, your power is in the now. And I think for some of us, the last hurdle that we need to overcome before we can complete this karmic cycle and move on to the next stage of our life is letting go of any regret or focus on the past or wishing we would have done things differently, or looking back and thinking like, why did I do that? Why did I act that way? I wish I wouldn't have been that person. But you wouldn't be the person you are now if it wasn't for your past mistakes, if it wasn't for your past lessons. You had to, for whatever reason, go through everything that you went through to get to where you are now. So I think that, you know what? Let me show you the clarifying cards actually. So if you've been following along, you know that this week I've been pulling clarifying cards from the numerology deck. So the card that popped out was Perseverance. Now, I turned over the deck and the card at the bottom was Environment. And this is a numerology deck, and that's 444, and it's green, which is your heart chakra. 444 is the angel number letting us know all is well. This regret card is being surrounded by 444. All is well. You can forgive yourself. You can let go of past cycles that have not served you. The angels, the universe, your guides, they're here for you. They're comforting you. The cards are really trying to reassure you, to reinforce this message, to just stay in the present. And, you know, the first clarifying card that came out was Perseverance. You have persevered through so many challenges. And you can absolutely get through any challenges you are facing now. And as you persevere, and as you let go, then your environment, your world, your outside world transforms. Because your power is in the now. So what you are doing now creates your future, and you will start to absolutely see this manifesting outside of you. But it all starts within here, and reclaiming our power and not giving it away to past events, not giving it away to these thoughts that take away from our peace, from our presence, from who we are now. We don't want to take away anything from who we are now because of regrets from the past. We've always been the same person. You just know more than you did now. So have just that empathy for yourself, and let anything that you've been holding on to, just set the intention to let it go if you are ready. Let's go ahead and do the energy session. And so if you can think of anything that you just want to release, let go, like you're just tired of thinking about, you're tired of just taking away from your happiness and joy in your present moments because you're still stuck on something from the past. Let's release it. Come back into our power that only lies in the present moment, so that we can then take that power and create the outside world, this manifestation of our vision, so we can actually create that coming from our power right here, right now, and not allowing anything to take that power away. So I'm going to set the timer on my phone. We're going to do a 5-minute energy session. If you have an intention, set it now. Sit back, lie down, close your eyes if you can, relax, and please enjoy it. I'll wipe off your arc field, your energy, anything that you released during that session. Wipe off mine. Disconnect from the energy. So be it and so it is. Thank you so much. I felt a lot in my feet again, but this time it was like a release. And then also a grounding. And I also felt the energy really flowing through everybody, which means that this card came when you were ready for it. This card came when you were ready to let go of something that's just not serving you. I have weekly Reiki sessions that are 10 minutes long. It might be a good idea to go through that, get in a meditative state, go through that to help with this releasing process. Just fleshing out anything old, anything just doesn't serve you, takes away from your power. Okay, we have one day left to go. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me so far. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you find freedom from anything that just is holding you back, any of that old stuck energy, so you can truly move into your power and appreciate and be grateful for the beautiful person, the beautiful soul that you are. I will see you tomorrow for our last day. Love and light.